Hello guys, welcome back to Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the complete prediction of Rajasthan Royals versus Punjab Kings fourth match of 2021 IPL 14th edition. So guys, watch the entire video. In this video, I am going to cover you Dream 11 prediction, fantasy cricket tips, playing 11 updates, pitch report, injury updates. So guys, definitely watch the entire video to get better information to prepare a best SL team to win easily probabilities. Okay, so let us move into the next point. So before moving to the topic, guys, here we are going to show you our Telegram channel name Accurate Fantasy. Okay, so the link will be given in description. In this channel we are giving lot of predictions of every match like T10, T20, domestic, non-domestic, international, women, men, everything we are covering, guys. This is the 100% accurate fantasy YouTube channel and Telegram channel, as well as accurate fantasy blogs also. So we are giving the best predictions in a good way. So definitely watch, definitely look at our site, so you will definitely like it. Do follow, do keep supporting. Thank you. So let us get into the video. So here you can see, guys, Josh Butler played well in recently T20 against India. Okay, let's move into the preview. Rajasthan Royals and Punjab Kings, lot of similarities are between in these teams. Okay, so the interesting thing will be going to be Rajasthan Royals is the captain will be hand over to Sanju Samson, the young player. So it will be interesting in this season. And here you can see, guys, they are also added Chris Morris with a huge base. Okay, huge number of amount he picked Chris Morris, all-rounder from South Africa. So it will be a strengthen their team. And here you can see, guys, Punjab Kings have added best two talented Aussie pace guns, as we all watched in BBL. The bowling duo of these guys, Jai Richardson and Riley Meredith. So both are the pace guns and high wicket taking capability of bowlers. Okay, so definitely look at these both players. Let's move to the match details, guys. Match details. Rajasthan Royals versus Kings 11 Punjab. Venue Wankhede Stadium. Time 7:30 p.m. Live streaming of this match will be going to be Star Sports Network and Disney Plus Hotstar, guys. So pitch report. What I am mentioning in color letters and bold letters are the very important points in this video. Okay, definitely observe those points very clearly to get a better team preparation while you preparing your team. So pitch report. This is the main brahmastra like of your team preparation. So guys, this is the main and topmost thing which helps you to win more comfortably with your opponents. Pitch report is going to be a crucial thing while preparing a team. Without pitch report, you can't create a team. If you create the team, you will definitely devast the team, so you won't win. If you won also, that will be completely luck only. That's not your talent. So definitely know every match pitch report we will giving here. Okay, so guys, here you can see Wankhede Stadium is going to be best for batsmen and hell for bowlers. So definitely cover your team with more batsmen and all-rounders, guys. So that's the best thing. And here you can see 180 is the average score we can expect. Okay, so which was evident once again in the second game of the season under. So definitely it's a high scoring game. So definitely cover bowlers and all-rounders in your team. Okay, so that's why you will get more fantasy points to get more easily win. So here you can see, guys, probable 11s. So in the second innings there will be a might chance of getting dew factor. So cover your team with first batting with number of options and cover your team with second team. So both middle order and top order, because if dew factor comes too fast, there will be a chance of getting middle order batsmen and lower order batsmen also batting chances. So in that case, the team will helps you. Okay, so definitely let us look at probable playing 11s of Rajasthan Royals versus Punjab Kings. So here you can see Rajasthan Royals, Ben Stokes, SSV Jaiswal or Livingston. So anyone from both can play. Sanju Samson, Josh Butler, wicketkeeper, Ryan Parag, Shivam Dube, Rahul Tewatia, Chris Morris, Shreyas Gopal, and here you can see Andrew Tai or Jayadev Unadkat. So in these two, anyone can play, and Karthik Tyagi. So here you can see, guys, Jofra Archer maybe miss half of the matches of this season due to injury. So that's the main thing. And here you can see Punjab Kings, Mayank Agarwal, KL Rahul, Chris Gale or David Malal. In these two, anyone can play. And Nicholas Puran, Sarfraz Khan and Deepak Huda. So from these two, anyone can play. So number of changes are there in this team, though no stability. Probable 11s. Here you can see Puran or like Sarfraz or Deepak Huda, Mandeep or Shah Rukh Khan, Chris Jordan or Fab Lionel, so Richardson or Meredith. So like this, a lot of changes may be there. Let us look at lineups after the lineups will be posted. Okay, so here you can see, guys, injury updates and availability news. So Rajasthan pacer will be going to be missed due to injury. Half of the matches he may miss, and Mohammad Shami is fit and selection for first game, and he already missed international matches due to injury, but he is fit now. He definitely going to play first match, I think. So try to pick him. So top picks from Rajasthan Royals versus Punjab Kings is, for your dreamland team, is top batsman. So Mayank Agarwal and Chris Gale. In this section you have to pick in your fantasy team. So in the recent last 3 IPL matches, 25 plus runs scored in 3 matches, Mayank Agarwal. So he is a best opener and so having consistent, so definitely carry with your team. And Chris Gale, he is a universal boss. I won't discuss about him more. So you and me, all we know the universal big boss is. Okay, so the all-rounder section will be going to be crucial in this match, and Ben Stokes and Chris Morris. And Ben Stokes definitely a captain pick for this match and vice captain pick for this match. So here you can see, guys, he can open, he can bowl full court hours, and he can give you more points in fielding too. So definitely carry with your team. Chris Morris, he is a strike bowler and he is a superb death bowler. He can pick 2 to 3 wickets easily in death bowling. So he can bat as well if he gets a chance. So definitely carry with your team. So topics from bowler section is, guys, Jai Richardson, he has a super wickets in BBL season. So definitely carry with your team. Maybe we don't know if he performs or not in Indian pitches, but take a look on him. Definitely he is a good bowler, so he can give you points with bat too. He can hit ball all over the park. That's the main thing. So both are the key points to consider him in your team. So and here you can see, guys, Andrew Tai, he is a experienced campaigner and he can bowl best in the death overs also and in the middle too. So definitely look at Andrew Tai. Here you can see, guys, top picks from wicketkeeper. Default picks of this match will be these two players and Josh Butler, KL Rahul. Definitely carry with your team because these are the best keepers and having good consistent hitting ability players. Definitely carry with your team. And here you can see, guys, take a screenshot of this maximum Dreamland fantasy points of last 5 matches of from these 2 points are Ben Stokes, Chris Morris, Josh Butler, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal. So these are the 5 match fantasy points of 5 players. Definitely carry these 5 players in your team because they are performing from last 5 T20 series and normals and giving bunch of points with. So definitely those guys will help you. So carry with your team. So check the Dreamland preview team, guys. So here you can see I pick Butler, Samson, Rahul. In the batting section, Mayank Agarwal, David Malan, Livingston, and in the all-round section, Ben Stokes, Chris Morris, and bowler section, Andrew Tai, Richardson, Mohammad Shami. This is the pretest team of from my side. So this will be the final team. If you want the final team, definitely in the Accurate Fantasy Telegram. The link will be given in description. So after lineups, there will be lot of changes. The lot of changes will be provided in this group, and final team will be posted in Accurate Fantasy YouTube channel only. So definitely join the channel. You will get the final teams. And here you can see, guys, I'm taking only 3 bowlers just because of it's a batting parade for batsmen in the Wankhede. So definitely carry batsmen and all-rounder in your team. So 3 bowlers are enough for your team. so according to pitch conditions. So this is the preview of this match, guys. If you like the video, definitely like the video and comment your opinions for better improvement of our videos. So thank you for watching and signing out. Definitely do support, keep supporting. Thank you for watching, guys.